We've got another caller from Dothan. Who do we have on the line, please? We've got T. T from Dothan. How can we help you tonight, T?
The executor of a will, what is his responsibility?
Excellent question,
Good
T.
question.
So again, executor of a will, which is the same thing as
What you just said,
what you
the personal representative in Florida is the same thing as probably what Alabama calls an executor. I like the term executor because it's very clear. You're talking about probate cases, and that's your job. And so that is the person that the decedent, the person who's passed away, has said, I want, if he's designated UT, he'll say, I want T to manage my affairs through the courts, through the probate process, and you are now the executor. So you are the one that's responsible for making sure the court case gets opened, you know, basically going and hiring a lawyer, using the money that's in the accounts to pay these bills, see if there's credit cards out there that are something you got to be paid or not, and then eventually, once you've gone through the whole process, the judge signs off on it, you can distribute whatever's left out to the people that the will says to go to. And you, as the executor, have to follow those rules as set forth.
And tell you, if there's not a will, then Alabama has what's called an intestate statute, where you might be the next of kin, and you can apply to be the executor of the estate. And again, what you're doing is you're managing the person's final affairs. That's all you're doing. You do get compensation for it if there is money in the estate, but if there's not money in the estate, you don't receive compensation for it. And basically what you're doing is winding up the person's last affairs. T, you had the best voice of anybody who has ever called into this show in nearly 20 years. I want to compliment you on that smooth voice that you got, and I hope that what we've provided to you helped you a little bit tonight.